That is a lot of rain. They just stopped the tornado sirens. First big boomer of the year. Yes, my tarp wasn't quite so waterproof. There was a whole heck of a lot more than that coming out of there. Daggone it, I bet that carpet's screwed. Well, Moose the money pit got an oil change and rear diff fluid change. Changed the oil because I don't know what the dealership put in it, and I wanted to put 540 in it, but I couldn't find any 540, so it's got 530 high mileage, good enough. Rear end's got a healthy dose of 75/90. That got an oil change, the work bomber that is, that thing. We took care of the exhaust leak and the exhaust rattle, and rotated tires, torqued them, so everything's good there. Now, I think we're gonna get the Ford out and go for a ride. One of these days we'll get to work on the Dodge, but he's on back burner. That's how our Sunday's going. Had to drain the boat out. Apparently the tarp on the boat is holding water instead of shedding water. So, I'm gonna have to figure out something for the boat. Wouldn't mind acquiring a different boat and getting rid of that one. But that's our Sunday. How's yours?